The most common type of swimming pool is one dug into the ground. They are also the most expensive to build, with prices ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 or more. But if you're determined to build your own in-ground pool on a budget, there are a few things you can do to save money without sacrificing the quality of your backyard oasis. An in-ground pool can be designed in a variety of styles. Because of the potential for high costs, it is critical to keep your financial constraints in mind. Nonetheless, there are a number of features and conveniences that can be added to enhance the experience. The layout of the swimming pool. The installer will be given a dig sheet for the pool, which will contain measurements accurate to a fraction of an inch and will outline how the pool hole should be created to accommodate the specific model being used. Before beginning excavation, discuss the potential location of the swimming pool as well as any landscaping ideas. The excavation procedure. This is the point where it begins to feel real. While the excavators and backhoes are removing the grass and dirt from the area, the installer will use the dig sheet to check the levels of the hole as it is being dug, putting in place the flooring of the swimming pool. As soon as the excavation is completed, a bed of gravel is spread across the ground to serve as the pool's foundation. Skid bars are installed to help with the screeding process and to ensure that the slope is properly guided. The gravel is then pressed down into a more dense mass to make the floor more stable. Pool delivery and positioning. The pool is transported to the site on a low trailer built specifically for transporting swimming pool shells. The filtration equipment for your pool, as well as the pool itself, will be delivered at this time. Plumbing and backfilling installation. The fundamental steps in the plumbing process are the installation of a skimmer box, deep end suction fittings, and return fittings. To connect these components, PVC pipe is run from them to the pump and filter. The coping and the deck. Many pool dealers will install pavers, such as travertine, on the bond beam and the pool's surface to improve the pool's appearance. Once the paver coping has been installed, the decking, as well as any landscaping and fencing the pool is complete.